video clip.
Ooh.
Like, you look at that. Oh, let me look cute. Let me look.
Ooh, bitch. Ooh, met je lees op je hoofd.
It's gonna be cute in a minute, okay? It's gonna be cute in a minute. Just wait.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl Bluerissa, and I am back with another video. Yes! In today's video, I am going to show you guys how I install this handmade wig by moi on my girl Jess. And one thing I really like is next video is going to also be a install video on Jess with the same wig, but you really can see the growth in how I install, the tinting, the plucking, the baby hairs, everything. And so funny because she only came after a week because we had to change the elastic band because it was too tight. But in that week, I only watched videos on how to pluck better and how to do an install and how to do baby hairs and everything. And I did the install, and what I knew from watching those videos, the installs were getting better and better and better. And that was only within a week. And I haven't done any hair or any installs in that week. So I was so surprised and so proud again that I achieved a better look every single time I do an install or any hairstyle.
In the video clip, like, you look at that. Oh, let me look cute. Let me look.
Ooh, bitch. Ooh, met je lees op je hoofd.
It's gonna be cute in a minute, okay? It's gonna be cute in a minute. Just wait.
Just wait.
And also, this was maybe my 4th time doing an install on somebody else other than myself. And I noticed I really didn't get the hang of it. I didn't know what steps were better to take to do an install. But also after watching many YouTube videos, I wrote down the steps on what to do first and then second and third and blah 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 blah, so and so and so. And yeah, also because of watching those videos, you will really see me getting the hang of doing an install and plucking and everything and styling and stuff. So that is also like a big thing for me that I keep educating myself. So keep educating yourself, you guys. That is the way you will get better. Practice and believe in yourself. Be your biggest fan, okay? Enjoy watching this video. Like, share and subscribe and show some love in the comment section. Bye bye.
with lace. No lace.
Yo, I have to say, we were having so much fun doing this install. Like, Jess, she's my girl. She was so hyped. Like, I love her reaction every time we do an install. Like, I had to put this in the video because it was too fun to not post and to not share. So here y'all have some craziness, some fun, how it is behind the scenes, the good vibes, the energy, everything. I'm showing it with y'all because I have fun, loving customers, friends, supporters, everything, and I want to share that with you guys. So here is yeah, it is like a sneak peek of how it's going up in here. Ay. Tagada.